And Raila, we say Raila can never lose. Raila will always win because he's always on the right side of history. He's always in the right hand of history. Katieko. Ano kaluoro wachadieri. O kaluoro wachadieri. Ka gimoro timore e Isiaya. Kado timore Homo Bay. Kikwadi kuro kajama paro ni miwa. Imiwamo. We are part of this nation. We are citizens of this nation. We are taxpayers in this nation. So when we speak, I don't want to talk to anybody from weakness. I never talk to anybody from a position of weakness. President Kibaki knew. When I talk to him, I don't speak from weakness because I know my rights, which are determined by God the Almighty. Don't turn the Luo nation to a nation by accident. We are not here by accident. And we are still looking for the day that Luo will be a president of the Republic of Kenya. We are looking for that day. Tomano nyalo muna timore. Kawa odomino gano ODM. Obede mo tegno. Kawa obede mo tegno. Kawa obede mo tegno. Maonge ringo. Anangeni kwa timo mano will be the path of honesty and truthfulness.
Ote kumanya sai pinyo pongo yo maganjao adwana winy mano mondo roho no dhi malo.
Adongo ka ngama tek kabisa, machamo kek kabisa, mang'ok kapok atieko kek na.